Hello scholars, this is a teacher video for task practicing graphing numbers on the Math is Fun number line using the dice. In this video I'm going to give you directions on how to complete this task, and so you're going to need to click on the number line link as well as the dice link in order to complete the task. So if we go to the number line link, it's going to come open showing us the Math is Fun number line. Just as a review, we know that all the numbers to the left of 0 are going to be negative numbers, and then all the numbers to the right of 0 are going to be positive numbers. And we can notate a negative number by using a minus sign, and we can notate a positive number by using a positive sign. So as you scroll down a little bit into this page, you're going to actually see an interactive number line. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the dice to decide how we're going to graph these numbers. And so what I'd like for you to do is I'd like for you to work with a partner. And so before you roll the dice, your partner is going to say if the number is going to be negative or positive. So for example, you're going to have the dice tool opened and you should see a little dice. And you're going to drag that over here in your little area so you can spin it. And so, for example, your partner may say, okay, this is going to be negative. So you're going to spin the dice. You got a 2. So since it was negative, you need to go ahead and graph negative 2. So you want to go back to your number line, find negative 2. We know that's going to be to the left of 0, and put a click, just like that. It's going to graph negative 2. Now it's your turn to go back and spin the dice. And so you may say to your partner, okay, you're going to graph a negative number. So you're going to spin the dice. And it's a 6. So they have to graph negative 6. So go back to your number line, find negative 6. Put your mark there. There's your negative 6. All right, the next turn is going to be your partners, and they're going to say, okay, so I want you this time to graph a positive number. And so you know that positive number is where on the number line? It's to the which side of the 0? That's right, it's going to be to the right of the 0. And so you're going to have to graph a positive 2. So you're going to go to the right of 0 and graph a positive 2. Now, I want you and your partner to do this for 10 times. That means you're going to graph 5 numbers and your partner's going to graph 5 numbers. And I don't want to see just all negative numbers or positive numbers. I want to see both negative and positive numbers. And so once you finish this assignment, working with your partner, you should have at least 10 plots or points on this number line. That you could show me if I asked to see that. Okay, that is it. That is how you do this assignment for your task, practicing graphing numbers on the number line using a dice. Again, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask your teacher, send your teacher an email, or give your teacher a call so they can help explain it to you. Good luck and have fun working with your partner.